Hello, I'm Mary Ketcher. I'm the owner of Merrimark Mortgage. If you're in the process of looking for a new home or possibly considering refinancing your existing mortgage, you may want to speak with a Tampa mortgage broker. A mortgage broker can help you to get pre-qualified before you go out and look for homes so that you're in the best position to make an offer when you find the home you love. They might also be able to help you to assess your current mortgage and determine whether it makes financial sense to refinance at this time. So how should you go about finding a Tampa mortgage broker? Well, one of the first things you can do is an online search. Of course, this is going to reveal many companies that are not actually based in Tampa, that are national companies that have a license to do business in Tampa. That's not a bad thing, but if your personal preference is to meet personally with somebody and sit down with them, then those may not be the best option for you. While most mortgage brokers have the technology to do the loans these days without meeting with you, if your personal preference is to meet in person, then you might prefer to find a company based in Tampa. You might also discuss with your realtor. If you're working with a realtor to purchase your new home, they probably have mortgage brokers that they work with that they can refer you to that have been a good experience. Many people will often start by going to their banks. While the bank might just have the right product for you, remember that they are limited to their own products and underwriting guidelines. Sometimes if you have a unique situation, you may benefit more by going to a mortgage broker as they work with a variety of lenders that might be able to deal with unique situations. You should also read testimonials and reviews online as well as Better Business Bureau reports. Regardless of how you conduct your search, it's a good idea to speak with a few different lenders. What you will probably find is that most banks and mortgage brokers have similar products and rates. So then how do you decide which one is the best one to work for you? Most importantly, you want to work with somebody who can get the job done. Giving rates and fee quotes is easy, but understanding the complexities of the mortgage process and having the experience to identify potential issues up front are the keys to making the mortgage process go smoothly. You also want somebody who has the patience and ability to sit down with you and explain the mortgage process and the difference between the various programs that might be available to you. They should also tell you how they're going to communicate with you throughout the process and what the timelines are. You need to make sure that you're able to close the loan in the time allotted in your purchase contract. You should, of course, ask for a written estimate of fees and rates, but be careful again because remember that rates often change even sometimes throughout the day. So if you're going to compare lenders based on rates and fees, you need to know that they were obtained at about the same time of day. Most important thing is that you find somebody that you're comfortable working with and that you trust. Mary Ketcher, Merrimark Mortgage.